This is a video for how to create number 20 for your 20 ISOs project. So we're going to start out with this object we're just going to create a shape. For this one, we could do a rectangular prism and do subtractive. We could follow that method, but let's just create this shape over here on the right and extrude it out this way. So we're going to do one extrusion and one cut. So over here on the left, we want to draw a square that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or a rectangle. So we're going to go back, make sure we're in the correct project file. We are, and I'm going to go to New, English IPT, and go to Create. And we're going to go to our pencil, and I'm going to click on my XY plane. And what I want to do is draw a rectangle, and I did not snap to the origin. Oops, I'm going to snap to my origin. I'm going to drag out this way, and we said it was 5 by 6. So I'm going to come back to here. 5, tab, 6, enter. Click on the word front. It's going to zoom out. Now we're going to draw for ourselves a circle that has a radius from the top left-hand corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to come back. Click on your circle. Click on the top left-hand corner and drag out. Notice that I'm in radius because I can only see the distance of half the circle. That dotted line you see that's in the radius, that's what we see right here. So again, we're going to come back. Our radius is 4. Or excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the radius is 4. So as I drag out, I'm going to 4, and I'm going to enter. And there's our arc. And we're going to go to trim. Let's click on trim. And let's click on the top area here. And we're going to click here. And we're going to click along here. It took that away from me. I can just go ahead and leave this, though, for now. I could trim this off if I wanted to. I could delete it and redraw it. But this is not going to hinder our extruding at all because this is the closed profile. That line isn't going to mean anything. So we're going to go to Finish Sketch. And we'll click on my house button. Now, the depth we're going to extrude this back is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to come to here, I'm going to extrude inside the object, flip it, and go to 8, and then enter. Now what you're going to notice is, I want to click on the word front, and I'm going to go to the top left-hand corner, and I think we can kind of notice that this is the correct view as it sits on our 20 ISO sheet. Now I want our front view to be where it says the word left. So this right here is going to be the front view. Right click on the word left, go down to set current view as, and go to front. Go to the top right hand corner of your view cube, right click here, set current view as home, and go to fit to view. Now when I click on my house button, we have the true isometric view as we see it on our sheet. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go around to the back, and we need to draw this square that is 3 by 4. Was it 4? Yeah, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a rectangle that's 3 by 4. So I'm going to flip around to the back on my pencil on the back of the object. So once again, let's grab a hold of our 2-point rectangle, and I'm going to click just anywhere in here, and I want to go 4, tab, 3, and hit enter. Now I just drew that rectangle in the middle of the object because we want the center point of this to line up with the center point of this line. We're going to use a coincident constraint. Use the coincident geometric constraint to place this. Coincident constraint, center point, and now I have that perfectly lined up. So now I can go to Finish Sketch. You're going to notice I have this rectangle on the back. Now we're going to go to Extrude, and I'm going to cut, and we'll go to Distance, and go to All. If I click on my house button, it's going to flip around and show that cut into the object, just like we see right here. And we're going to go to OK. And you've finished number 20 for your 20 ISOs project. Now, we could have just drawn a rectangular prism and cut a hole through it and done another thing, but we did this with just 2 extrusions, which is a pretty efficient way of getting this done. So, this has been a video for how to create and complete number 20 for your 20 ISOs project.